How to export Office 365 emails to Gmail. First, open your Gmail dashboard. At the top right corner, click on the Settings icon. Then click on See All Settings. Select Accounts and Import tab. Now click on Import Mail and Contacts. Login screen appears. Here enter your Office 365 email address and click on the Continue button. In this screen, simply click on the Continue button. Again enter your Office 365 email address and click on the Next button. Here enter the password of your Office 365 account and click Next. It's asking for Stay Signed In, click Yes or No, as per your preference. Authentication successful, you can now close this window. Wait for the checking to complete. In this wizard, select the import options and click on the Start Import button. And all done, all your Office 365 emails will be successfully imported into Gmail mailbox. According to your mailbox size, it may take a few moments to complete the import process. You can refresh Gmail and check if the emails have been successfully imported or not. This process is cool when you need to migrate fewer emails or mailbox. In case you want to migrate mailboxes in bulk, you can use Regain Office 365 to Gmail migration tool. This software provides multiple benefits, such as bulk mailbox migration, secure login authentication, no file size limitation, selective mailbox migration, multiple export format support, and many more features. From our official website you can get a free trial of this software. After you install the software, you will see this interface. Here click on the Account Login option. Among basic authentication and multi-factor authentication, choose your preferable method. For now I am choosing the multi-factor authentication method. After that click on the Login Now button. Enter your Office 365 email address and click on the Next button. Enter password and click on the Sign In button. Here enter verification code and click on the Verify button. Here you can preview all your folders of your Office 365 account. Just click on any folder and you can preview all the available emails at the top right panel. Click on any email and you can preview it at the bottom right panel. Now click on the Cloud Migration option. Select Gmail or G Suite. In this wizard, make sure Gmail or G Suite is selected, then enter your Gmail address. Enter the correct password. Click on the Login button. In this screen, click on the Migrate Now button. As a result, the migration will be started, and according to your mailbox size it may take a few moments to complete the migration. Once the migration is completed, you will see this message, File conversion process has been completed. That's all about today's video. Thanks for watching.